I'm Sally from Delancey Cosmetics. Happy Women's Day! Today, on the special occasion of Women's Day, I have a beautiful palette for you, and its name is Delancey's Mysterious Queen. So, today, on the special occasion of Women's Day, where we celebrate being women, I think this is the best palette to go for. So, this is Delancey's Mysterious Queen. It's a beautiful pack. Behind over here, they have mentioned all the ingredients, and yes, 100% vegan and cruelty free. Let's have a look. So we have a sliding box. All right, so slide it this way. Let's unreveal the Mysterious Queen. So wow, beautiful. So this is Delancey's Mysterious Queen. Ta-da. Let's have a look. So moving on, this is the beautiful Delancey's Mysterious Queen. Behind here also, they have mentioned all the ingredients and 100% vegan and cruelty free. So the fun part about this is it is not just an ordinary eyeshadow palette. However, it offers you 72 shades. But these 72 shades come in 3 different layers. I mean, wow. They really thought it out really well. This suits a queen. I think there is no shade in the world left. You will get everything in this palette. So you have 3 layers and they are very well, placed. So as I show you, you will understand how it is. So let's go ahead and see the first layer. Ta-da! So this is the first layer, which has all the brown, the nude, and creamy shades. Plus, we have a mirror over here. So you can use this anywhere, and you can do your touches anywhere if you have this palette along with you. So these are the beautiful warm shades. Moving on to the next layer, we have all the fun rainbow colors, the fun poppy colors. So I love these colors, and you can wear it with any outfit and just to look cute. I love these shades. Moving on, the third is my favorite, and that is our glitters. Shine, 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 everybody. Glitter, 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 glitters. So these are our 3 layers. Now let's go ahead and check the pigments. Okay, so in the first layer, let's try to see one pigment. This one. All right. Yeah. Have a look. Beautiful. That's the shade I use the most because that's my favorite, so I showed you that. I'll show you another one. You want to try a darker one? Let's try this one. This is pretty dark. See, the pigments are so strong on any skin tone. They look good. Moving on, let's go ahead and try this. I will go with our beautiful pink shade. I know a few people in India call it Rani color. So let's have a look at a Rani color. So nice, so beautiful, such a nice Rani color it is. Want to check any other color in this? Let's try blue. I've never used blue. I want to check how it looks. Super pigmented. I can play very well around with it. See, so cute. Very well designed. I love the research they do behind it and the way they placed all the colors. It's simply great. The third is our glitters. Now these glitters are not only simple glitters, but they are glow and dark too. Not all, but few of them are glow and dark. So these glitters will glow and dark. Awesome. So let's try any one of the glitters. I like purple. I'm going with purple. Okay. Let's try purple. Wow. Look at the pigment. So beautiful. and they stay, all right? They will not spread or create any problem. You don't need a fixer liquid also. Just dab it and you're good to go. So the glitters are really, really awesome. So these are all the glitters. So these are the 72 shades of the Mysterious Queen. Go ahead, buy it from Delancey.com, and you will love to have this palette in your collection. You must have it. And especially on this occasion of Women's Day, I would love to treat you with this palette. So go ahead, buy it from Delancey.com. Treat yourself, be a queen with Mysterious Queen. I got mine from Delancey.com. You can go ahead. I love this brand, and I think everyone should have this in their collection. So, Delancey's Mysterious Queen. Go ahead, buy this product. I'm happy buying it, and you will surely be happy buying it. Now, most important is I have one more announcement for you, and that is that we have a Holi competition at Delancey India on Instagram. So go ahead, follow us on Instagram and do participate in the competition. The Holi competition is all about colors. So go ahead, enjoy the competition, do participate, and I'll see you at the results of that competition. Take care. Have a nice time. Bye bye.